I have a problem. I spend too much time on YouTube and it's ruining my life. Every time I sit at my desk planning to be productive, I end up watching the most random videos. I can't keep living like this. But how can I break this habit? Is this dangerous? Nope. Do I have any idea what I'm doing? Of course. Here's the setup: an Arduino, relay, and high voltage generator. Each time I open YouTube, I'm going to send the signal to the Arduino to fire this guy and fry my skin. But first, I've never worked with Arduinos before, so I need to grind through a couple of tutorials to make sure I understand how it all works and, well, limit my chances of breaking something. Things are going pretty good and I'm making good progress. That is until I pushed too hard on one of the relay pins trying to fit a cable and, well, it snapped. Now, I'm generally good at dealing with tight spaces, but I guess this time around I lost my gentle touch. I'm hoping this doesn't mean that the relay is broken, so I'm going to proceed under the hopeful guise that everything is still okay. I made a test circuit, uploaded my code to the Arduino, and it works. Okay, so after all that, I can now confidently pretend like I know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to tear this circuit apart and build the actual taser circuit. So right now, this doesn't really do much other than flicker on and off, which isn't really what we expect it to do. So we need to write some code to make sure that it tases me when I open YouTube tabs. But before we do that, let's just do an example here to see how ridiculous it is what I'm doing. Imagine this is my skin, right? And now let's say I open a YouTube tab and let's see what happens to my skin when this thing lights up. Not exactly the smartest project I've worked on before, but right after recording this clip, the high voltage generator stopped working. So I ordered a new one. But this doesn't mean that the work stops. We've still got some code to write. There are 3 programs we have to write. One that runs on the Arduino, another one that runs the local server on my laptop, and a Chrome extension. Now, this is the stuff I actually know how to do, so I don't want to jinx it, but I'm pretty sure things are going to go very smooth. The Chrome extension can detect the tabs I have open. So each time I open YouTube, it'll ping my server, which then communicates with the Arduino via serial ports. Had I known better, I would have gotten the ESP32 so I could do all of this wirelessly, but just like with other things in life, it's not the package that matters, but how we use it. Or at least that's what I keep telling myself. The Arduino then receives the signal from the server and activates the taser. The order finally arrived, so let's finish this up. Ow. Not sure if you can see that, but ow. Some of you might be wondering if this clunky thing on my hand is distracting. So I put it to the test in a real study session. It felt weird at first, but after a few minutes, I barely noticed it. I was locked in, focused and getting work done. Alas, like a moth to a flame, the calls of YouTube beckoned me against my better senses. Obviously, the goal is to get to a point where I don't need to use this taser anymore. So, how long does it take to break a habit?